Greetings and welcome to Hot Copper's latest Capital Compass. I'm John Davidson, joined today by ASX-listed Klevo Rewards CEO Alexander Gold. Klevo is looking to tap in on the success that other companies offering rewards programs have seen, something Australian consumers in particular have no shortage of appetite for. Alexander, thanks for being here today. For investors who may not yet be familiar with Klevo Rewards, can you introduce yourself and give the viewers a brief overview of Klevo Rewards and its core offerings in loyalty and digital payments?
Klevo Rewards is basically a company which has been in the market of rewards and loyalty and employee benefits since 1999. It has been quite a successful operator, but had some issues during COVID and then came out of COVID pretty damaged. So we have spent a number of years to repair it, to reconstitute the balance sheet, to basically reposition it for the new era of rewards and loyalty. Currently, we believe that we're at the forefront of rewards industry, not just in Australia, but globally, having built a blockchain-based rewards platform, which is significantly different from all the legacy rewards platforms which are in the Australian market.
So over the past 6 months, Klevo Rewards has undergone significant executive changes and some corporate restructuring, culminating in the company becoming free trading on the ASX. Can you walk us through that journey and highlight the key milestones that brought the company to this point?
Look, it hasn't been any significant changes because with me joining the executive board, two existing executive board members, Maitri Aya and our chairman, David Vincent. Basically, we had one director resigning because he was a non-executive director, and we believe that we should keep the board very tight. Management decisions are within the board. In that sense, yes, we have had a significant engagement with Australian Stock Exchange, trying to convince them that we are complying with their recordation criteria. I specifically can't thank enough the board, the original board, especially Maitri. She's been instrumental in working with ASX. David has been instrumental in working with ASX. We had a great support from our lawyers, Steinpress Paganin. Together as a team, with support of our strategic investors who basically believe in our story.
So Alexander, you yourself have consistently been acquiring shares in Klevo on the market. What drives your confidence in the company's turnaround, and how does your investment, alongside the support of other shareholders, reflect the company's strategic direction and priorities for 2026?
It's not a simple question to answer because I'm buying as an investor simply, right? So I've been buying shares in different markets for a very long time in my life. I've been a financial advisor and a wealth manager, representing different investors throughout my career. So that is purely an investment decision based on fundamentals. It doesn't reflect on any strategic direction or anything like that. It's not. It's just me acting as a CEO of the company in one role, driving the company. Me being a individual investor, retail investor, acquiring shares on market.
So Klevo Rewards delivers digital loyalty and payment solutions, including the Klevo Pay wallet. Can you describe the current operations and explain how technological and operational innovation in-house, such as the Fly wallet acquisition and MasterCard integration, how are those things supporting growth?
This, again, it's a complex question to answer in one sentence because number one, the Fly wallet acquisition allowed us to build a backbone of Klevo Rewards 2.0. It allowed us to connect into the global MasterCard network, which Fly wallet being a principal member, and it has a unique position of being able to issue cards and payment instruments, not only in Australia, but outside Australia, in markets like Malaysia, Vietnam, and other markets, which basically we believe is a very important fundamental for growth outside Australian market. Secondly, combining with our rewards platform, which is now fully integrated with Fly Wallet processing capabilities. We are able to offer the market rewards which are not just rewards as such, like your everyday rewards or your Qantas points and stuff like that. They're basically more an integrated, I'm not saying cash-like reward, it basically a digital reward, which can be either redeemed in cash using our MasterCard or converted into any cryptocurrency of choice. So basically, this is what's taken us from being a simple rewards company into the world of integrating rewards and payments.
Now, look, you mentioned other companies there, Qantas for one. The loyalty and digital rewards space is competitive. How does Klevo differentiate itself from other providers, and what advantages give Klevo Rewards a strong market position?
Look, but this is what I'm saying. We're not competing with Qantas or Everyday Rewards. We are just providers of rewards to the companies. We are powering with our rewards and loyalty other big enterprises and corporations worldwide. So effectively speaking, let's say we're not competing with B2C business, we're purely B2B business. We're a manufacturer of reward solution, which we won't sell to the market. We've been quite successful in that when we integrated our rewards platform with white label MasterCard, and we've achieved a very significant growth in the last 6 months, having over 200,000 cardholders using our platform.
So how has Klevo Rewards been financing its operations and growth? Going into the financials of the company now, how is capital being deployed to support product development, market expansion, and of course, long-term shareholder value?
Look, again, it's a complex question because we have had significant shareholder support with our recent placement. So we have been able to successfully complete our placement, and we have capital reserves. In the meantime, the company itself is coming into breaking even and turning the corner into profitability in the coming quarters. So we believe that our position we are strongly funded to basically build the shareholder value long term.
All right. Finally, looking ahead, this is maybe the most important question. What should prospective investors know about Klevo Rewards' upcoming initiatives or catalysts? And what is your key message to investors who might be unaware of the company as Klevo Rewards enters this new chapter?
Just watch the space.
All right. Klevo Rewards Chief Executive Officer Alexander Gold. Thanks for joining us today.